Hi guys, this is DIY Shay's Way. So as you see, we actually started a little bit of the project already, but down at the bottom you can see it was just a bare plain white wall. We wanted to do some type of wallpaper, but once again we wanted to do the inexpensive way. So we actually decided to go to Dollar Tree, and these are actually pantry or like shelf liners, and we've already started up at the top so far. This is what we have so far, just so you can see the before and the after, and we just have a little bit more to go. So I'm going to get started. Okay guys, so step one, you just want to basically measure it to make sure. That's all right. No mess up here. All right, straight. Line it up just to make sure you have the exact length. It may be easier if you do have 2 people with this particular project, but I just want to get to the end, which is there, and I'm just going to make like a crease all the way down so I know where to cut. All right, so I am getting a little bit of help because, as mentioned before, it's much easier. And as before, you just smooth it out. Smoothing. And it's okay if it overlaps, it's okay if it goes up a little bit higher, because this is just the backdrop and we're gonna have other things on top of it. So and voila. Smoothing it out just to make sure all the bubbles are out, which everything looks good. The next part we'll do is just trim this part, but this is actually how you do it step by step so we can finish this vlog. All right, so this is the final product. This is it all completed from the very top to the very bottom. Just rubbing on it to make sure everything is still smooth. The only other thing that I did use was just your X-Acto knife with the edges, as well as over here, just making sure you have a crisp, clean line. I don't really like to use these X-Acto knives, but you know, projects like this calls for it. Traumatic experience actually, and it's great. But neither here or there. Once again, it will take maybe yourself and someone else to do. Takes anywhere from about 15 to 20 minutes. And I love it, it looks amazing. All right, so with making this border for your calendar, some of the tools that you will actually need would be a pair of scissors, your washi tape, which you can get from Walmart, Michael's, whichever you prefer. It is the glitter black tape, by the way, and then a glue gun. And that's just to make sure that the edges are properly glued down for extra support. Regards to the border, I've actually already started as far as black glitter washi tape. Instead of painting it, just trying to do it the cheap way. So I just have to finish up this side and this side, but just wanted you all to see how it turned out so far. So all you do, I already have my washi tape here, and you're just going to line it, and you're just going to press it down as you go, trying to get it as straight as possible. And it's okay if you mess up. The good thing is you can always pull it off if you need to. As you see, and then just let me get my scissors. And because I want it to hang a little bit, I'm just gonna give it some extra there. And I'm gonna actually go back down here, and then I'm just going to fold it over. And that's just so it can actually stay. Once again, it literally takes about 10, maybe 15 minutes at the most. And just fold it on and put it down. And I'm gonna come back to that part because I'm actually probably going to have to hot glue it as well as this down at the end. Got the last piece. My tape again. And I'm just going to pull along the sides. That's just a magnet, so that can be moved. Once again, getting it as straight as possible. And hold it up just a little bit here. Gonna go back down here. And I'm still gonna come back to that part because once again, I do need to hot glue it, but I'm just gonna make sure everything else is pressed down firmly. And then I'm just going to fold it down as such. Just gonna take my hot glue gun, trying not to burn myself, and just hold it down. Away. Same. And first I'm going to get up into here. And I'm just going to hold it. And I'm just touching up all the corners. Once again, this is our board for our command center. So I just want everything to stay in. Looks really, really nice. On the side. And voila, that is it. So as you see, this is the final product of my command center wall. As you see, this is the shelf liner that we used from Dollar Tree. We just stuck it on here. It was in the previous video. This was the actual board that we did with the washi tape, the black glitter tape. We just used it and we just hot glued on the edges just to make sure it stayed. Everything else, I can put in links down at the bottom of the video if you want to know how to do it. This was all custom made by myself. Those are little clips, little cardstock paper that I cut and just wrote on. This is fabric, board that I actually created with fabric behind it. These I actually bought from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I can't remember, I've had them for such a long time. And then these boards I actually bought from, I want to say they're Michael's, I think it was Michael's, and then I just made the custom frames as well. Once again, DIY Shay's Way. If you like, give a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. Hope you all enjoy.